trades I lost money on, which was really frustrating for me. I had a long weekend kind of pondering it, and I had to say to myself, I trust the system. I'm going to continue to take the trades that I'm going to take. I had a meta trade from Friday. Hopefully that'll be up a little bit. But futures down 10. They're up 22. So we do see a reversal here in the market from up 22 to now down. And when I woke up this morning, they were down more like 15. So we are off. And the first thing I'm going to do is on the daily chart, I'm going to look at the moving average cross. Apple, no signal. Amazon, no signal. Google, no signal. Meta, no signal. Tesla, no signal. And Netflix, no signal. So no moving average cross. Average cross signals. So no moving average cross signals, guys. No moving average cross signals. First day of the new month and quarter. So no moving average crosses. Here, no moving average cross, and I'm just going to revisit those one more time. So Apple, no signal. Amazon, no signal. Google, no signal. Meta, no signal. Tesla, no signal. And Netflix, no signal. So no moving average crosses here, guys. I still do have a Meta long from Friday that I will take off at the close today. So none of those here on that. Let's go to Apple on the one. Apple on the 1 minute bar is still a long from last week. Tesla did not meet their quota for cars, so Tesla is down this morning. On the 5 minute bar, we're going to visit that in a second, so that'll be the next one we look at. 5 minute bar will be the next thing we look at here. 5 minute bar will be the next thing we look at. So Meta, I am long. Meta up 2.5 today. Really flat this market. Meta, I'm long. Upstart, I'm short. Pfizer, I'm long. And that's really about it. This is, I always say it, but today is the flattest I've been all year, which is actually kind of true. So 5 minute bar closes here in a couple minutes. PNC, we got out of that trade. AMT, don't have those on. SHLS, nothing to do there. Netgear, I'm going to remove that from here. Dow, I'm not really looking for Dow. IBM of 15 cents. Groupon, 1020, 2025. 25 calls here, nothing to do there. I saw some Dell calls being bought on Thursday. A lot of super option plus scanners, great signals from last week. A lot of super option plus scanners from last week. Super option plus on Thursday. We saw a lot of Microsoft calls being bought. 5 minute bar closes here in about 2 minutes. So let's go. The first thing we go to is we go to the moving average cross. So moving average cross. I still have that long from Meta from Friday. Today there are none. So one of the 5 technical analysis methods we look at. Nothing on the moving average cross. PNC down. I wouldn't relook to take the PNC calls. I got to get a little bit better of using those 50% stop losses. Meta, I'm short a call spread. I'm long 15 deltas in Meta. 15 deltas. Upstart. So getting close to break, and not really that close to break even. I'm going to final target here at 850. Never hit that target at 850. We got out at some of them at 820. Tesla looks like it's going to trigger a buy on the 1. Tesla looks like it's going to trigger a buy on the 1. Apple, look at Apple go. Ooh, hello, Apple. So Tesla on the 1 minute bar did not trigger a buy yet. The 5 minute bar closes here in a minute. We'll get a buy in Apple most likely. And we're going to look at the pullback indicator. So Tesla here, looking to trigger a long here in Tesla. Looking to trigger a long in the 1 minute bar. 5 minute bar is the next thing we look at here. Apple will trigger that buy, guys, on the close of the 5. So a minute left to go here. Apple on the 5. Apple on the 5 minute bar will trigger a buy. It's going to be around 182, 172.80. Costco. Apple. Tesla looking to trigger that buy on the 1, guys. Tesla looking to trigger that buy on the 1. 1 minute bar in Tesla, guys. Keep an eye on it. Tesla looking to trigger a buy on the 1. 5 minute bar. Apple's going to be a buy. Just see what's going to set up here in about 40 seconds. So Amazon will be Amazon under the cloud, no signal. Apple will trigger a buy. I will take that Google here, under the cloud, no thank you. Meta wouldn't be under the cloud, no thank you. Tesla and Netflix. Tesla under the cloud. Netflix will be Netflix. Netflix will be it's in the cloud here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And so Apple's the only thing that's going to be a buy, guys. I'm going to take this Apple buy. Apple buy 172.90. Apple buy 172.90. Apple buy 172.90. I'm going to come in here and sell the 72.70 put spread. Let me see if I can get 80 cents for it. Apple on its buy. Apple on its buy. Apple on a 5-minute bar long buy. And Apple 172.99, guys. Apple on the 5-minute bar long. Apple on the 5-minute bar long here in Apple. So let's go to Apple. 5-minute bar long. Only one of them today. So Apple 172.99. Apple on its long. Apple on its long. For some portfolio members about to get a trade here in Apple. Apple on its long. Apple on its long. So 5-minute bar long. Ooh, hello. I sold Apple 9/29, 2023, 172.5. 170 put spread for 80-cent credit. Will cover MOC today. So Apple on its buys, guys. Apple on its buy on the 5-minute bar. Apple on its buy on the 5-minute bar. When 72.99. Apple buy. Apple buy on the 5. Tesla buy 143.62. 243.62. So that's on the quick scalper, guys. We do have a buy here in Tesla. So Tesla here. 10-1, 2021, Tesla is on its buy. Tesla is on its buy right around here. So if I wanted to, I can sell some put spreads here. Let's sell a 45, 42.5. Let's sell a 2-lot, 145. Whoa. Tesla on its buy. So Tesla's on its buy. 243.62. Tesla on its buy. 243.62. Tesla on a buy. 243.62. That's on the 1-minute bar. Tesla on a buy. 243.62. So 1-minute bar. So this is your quick scalper. Ooh, Tesla starting to get a bid. Tesla buy 243.62. So Tesla on the quick scalper, guys. It's a 1-minute bar long in the Tesla, guys. 1-minute bar long in Tesla here. So 1 5-minute bar, Apple buy 172.99. And then the 1-minute bar, Tesla's a buy, and Tesla's getting a bid. Tesla's getting a bid here, guys. Tesla getting a bid here on the 1-minute bar. So 1 5-minute bar, 1-minute bar. Next thing we go look at is the RSI, Relative Strength Index. So we go to their scan functionality. We're going to look at RSI oversold. Probably going to move it down to 15. So let's go down to 15. GameStop, possible buy, and GME, DHR. Let's make sure they didn't have earnings. Wake up, wake up. It's the first of the month. DHR, ugly. I don't know if something like happened in it. Humana down. Let's get Humana. So 2 RSIs, guys. 2 RSIs. Humana and GME. If you're an RSI member, you're going to get RSIs here, guys. If you're an RSI member, you're going to get 2 RSI candidates. Not official signals yet. So RSI. Look at that. Oh, look at Tesla go. So RSIs, you're going to get 2 of those. Let me send those out to the people abroad. Wake up, wake up. It's the first of the month. So we have a 5-minute bar long in Apple. We have a 1-minute bar long in Tesla. Both those are winners. RSI is the next thing we look at here. Okay, we're going to go that. Boom. And now we're going to bring that back in here. And then we're going to go to 15. We're going to keep an eye on these. We're going to change this to RSI oversold, which we are good at now. Humana. Whack. And the next one will be, just change that 1-minute bar to the 15. GME GameStop. So we're looking at 2 RSI oversolds. Boom. Tesla. Wow. Look at that buy signal in Tesla, guys. So we got that buy here in Tesla, guys. Got that buy here in Tesla. Look at that buy here in Tesla. We have that buy here in Tesla. That buy in Tesla working out well. Zoom. Zoom, run, run, run. You Zoom, run, run. Penny spike in Zoom, guys, is 76s. I'm not going to play on these. Zoom 76 is being bought. Wow, look at Zoom go. Zoom 76 is hitting day and penny at 24 cents. So day trade and penny spike. Buyer of Zoom. 10/6/2023. 76 calls for 24 cents, guys. Day trade and penny spike in Zoom. Zoom, guys. Day trade and penny spike here in Zoom. Day trade and penny spike here in Zoom. Day trade here and penny spike here in Zoom, guys. Day trade and penny spike in Zoom. Your Zoom run, run, run. Your Zoom run, run. Day trade and penny spike in Zoom, guys. Day trade and penny spike in Zoom. Your Zoom run, run, run. Your Zoom run, run. ZM, guys. Calls being bought in ZM. Calls being bought here in ZM. Calls being bought here in ZM. Zoom. Oh, IBM getting a little bit of a bid. We're back up to 39. The December calls. Tesla still on its buy. Winner. Apple still on its buy. Unchanged. No. Still in Meta put spreads from Friday. Let's see where my Meta put spread is. I got into it at 1. What price did I get into it at? RSI, we have 2 candidates. Next thing we're going to look at is for the 15-minute pullback indicator. OAK trading is fun. Tesla's going up. We gave you a buy 243.62 in Tesla. 15-minute, we're looking for a pullback here. So 15, we're going to change this to the pullback indicator. Boom, 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 boom. We can remove the 5 now. We have 1 on the 5. 15-minute pullback, Apple candidate. That's a bull candlestick. We'll wait for that candle to close to kind of go through these here. NEE puts trading here. PNC, we took that off. So 1 5-minute bar, 1. It's like unchanged. And then Tesla, 1-minute bar winner. Nothing on RSI yet. We have 2 candidates. You have to wait for the second 15-minute bar to close. Apple will be a candidate on the 15-minute pullback indicator. We want that to close, and then we'll give you those. PayPal, OX655 puts trading here. In the PayPal, Microsoft starting to move up nicely here. NVIDIA up $10 to start the new quarter. NVIDIA up $10 to start the new quarter. NVIDIA up $10 to start the quarter. NVIDIA futures up a point. Apple 5-minute bar winner. NTR puts trading in here. No, thank you. Riot on fire. Is Bitcoin on fire today? Coin market cap. I own 3 Bitcoin. Bitcoin on fire. Ooh, I have a lot of Ethereum, and I have a decent amount of Bitcoin. So Apple on the 15, this will be a candidate, guys. Apple on the 15, this will be a candidate. It needs to pull back to the open and produce a bull candlestick. Apple will be a candidate on the 15. Apple will be a candidate on the 15. Amazon will be a candidate on the 15. So we're looking for a bull 15-minute bar. We want to pull back to the open and then a bull candle. Meta, candidate. Google, absolutely. Google, candidate. Tesla, candidate. Netflix will be the last one. Netflix, candidate. So 15-minute pullback. Candidates. No signals yet. Candidates. In Apple, Amazon, Google, Meta. It's called all our names. Netflix and the Tesla. So this is a bull 15-minute bar, guys. We want to pull back to the open. Then we want another bull candlestick. Doesn't mean we will get a signal today, but these are pullback candidates. These are pullback candidates. I'm going to add them all here on the right. Apple, Amazon, the Googleicious, Tesla, Netflix, and that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to hit that little arrow. I'm going to hit customize, and I'm going to add the open. So we need a pullback to the open and then a bull candlestick. Pull back to the open and then a bull candlestick. Pull back to the open and then a bull candlestick. I don't need the low here, so I can get rid of low. I don't think I really need the high. So Apple, Amazon, Google, Meta, Netflix, and Tesla, we need to pull back to the open, and then we need a bull candlestick. These are all candidates. They are not signals yet. Humana on the 15, we're keeping an eye on that. Futures now down 5. Humana will trigger a buy if this is a bull candle. Stop will be up 50 cents under the low of the day. So Humana, keep an eye on that. GameStop, keep an eye on that. 10/2/2023. Oh, hello, AK. 2023. Calls being bought in LAC. I'm not going to take these. These are the 16.5s. LAC, I'm not going to take these. LAC calls being bought, hitting Moonshot Scanner. Buyer of LAC, 10/6/2023. 16.5 calls for a cuter, guys. So that Zoom signal not working out. I told you not to take it. You know, if you took it, maybe about $50, maybe about $100. And then we see a Moonshot and LAC. LAC on the Moonshot Scanner, guys. And the stock is getting plumb. A lot of times the stocks go down. I don't like to buy calls. That obviously means there's some news in there. That might have to do with the Tesla one. Because this is Lithium America. You know, those are all kind of correlated. A Rivian, a Tesla, a Lithium America. Kind of all correlated together. So 15-minute bars, we had one 5-minute bar on Apple. It's basically unchanged. We had one signal on the 1-minute bar. That's a winner. So 2 technical analysis trades today, 2 technical winners today. We're looking for a pullback. Nothing on the moving average cross. I'm still long Meta from Friday. We'll see what happens with that one. That one is a winner right now. So I'm going to add this trade on the personal portfolio. Apple, 10/6/2023, 172.5, 170 put spread. 80 cents. See what happens with it. And I want to see if I sent that that signal in Meta from Friday. I did. 162. 162. So let's add that one. 10. And that was 930. Weakness here, guys. 307.5. 305. Put spread. 1.62. Let's see what happens with that one. These are all closed. Closed, closed, closed. There we go. So it's two positions, Salon, a long Apple, long Meta. And we'll see what happens to those today. Today is the greatest day we'll ever know. Humana firing back here. So Humana will trigger a long. Humana will trigger a long. Penn Gaming Oct 30s trading here 4 cents. No, thank you. LSA, just wrote some notes on it. 15-minute bar closes here in about 9 minutes. Pull back to the open. Have not got anything yet. So we're going to wait for that. Actually, I want to add the low. So I'm just going to go here and add the low. One signal from day trade, one from penny spike, one from moonshots. The low. How low can you go? Okay, there we go. So we need that for the pullback indicator. We need that. Nicola, ABR trading here. No, thank you. No, thank you. Zoom calls are down to 16. Tesla still on its buy. Tesla officially hit profit target, guys. So you should be out of Tesla. Tesla hit your profit target. So Tesla got us a 1-minute bar long in Tesla. That trade is over in Tesla, guys. So Tesla on the 1-minute bar. Nice trade. That trade is over. Tesla, you're out of Tesla on the quick scalper. So we'll go to quick scalper. That trade is a winner. 245.91 was your exit. And that was a winner. I was doing a sum of thing here. So Tesla is a buy winner. 241.05. Profit target hitting Tesla, guys. Out of Tesla. Out of Tesla. And I was actually talking to my dad, and I was like, you know, everybody thinks the market's going to go up, right? So what if the market actually went down? What would happen then? Everybody's saying we're going to have an end of the year run up. What about if they were wrong? What about the market sold off? Makes you wonder. Amazon up a buck. 15-minute pullback, still waiting for those. Nothing has tested back to the open. Big cap technology continues to look strong. I mean, if you just look here, you know, I have a lot more green than I have red here. And Tesla's only went down, and that's because they had some news. But NVIDIA higher, Google higher, Amazon higher. Looks like they want to be buying the tech names as the beginning of the new quarter starts. Tesla on the 1. Trade is over. Tesla on the 1. Trade is over. Tesla on the 1. The trade is over. Futures 10 and a hook. So short upstart. Still. So in my notes tab, I am long FFIE. Mars over. IBM long, Meta long, Pfizer long, Medtronic long. I'm long now, long Apple. Shorts. All I have is Upstart. I have some puts on an Upstart. Pinterest, Oct 13s, 29s being sold. And Pinterest. Pinterest. Took off PNC from last week. That was a nice winning trade. That made 50% overnight. Netflix bid again. Bum ba na 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 ba na 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 da na 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 na. AK is up $36 today. IBM up 58 cents. GameStop and Humana we're looking at here. Humana's going to give us a buy. Humana's, ooh, look at it. Humana's going to give us a buy here, guys. RSI member, you will get this trade. GameStop, another bear candle. Pfizer up in the day. I was going to offer my Pfizer calls offer out. We have no positions on, except we have two for Super Options Plus. We have a Pfizer long and an Upstart short for Super Option Plus. Super Option Plus has been our best portfolio. We kind of go through these portfolios. 15-minute pullback, nothing today yet. Trade Kings Plus, we have no signal on. Trade Kings, we have IBM still on at 58. And those are up a little bit here. Let's see what they got up to. They're 34. Quick Scalper, we had that one trade today. RSI, nothing official yet today. We're probably going to get a signal here in a minute. About 4 minutes. Moving average cross, none today. 5-minute bar, we had one trade. Super Option signals, nothing on. Super Option Plus, we do have two signals on. So we still have Upstart and Pfizer. Those are on for about a month. PNC, we took nice profits off in PNC. Personal portfolio, two positions on. That was something I was trying to track. Short puts, these have all closed. And that thing got pounded last week again. I got to see how many winners and losers are on this. This is not accurate. Last week, there's losers in Amazon. There's losers in Apple. So far today, I've done one thing. I've taken Apple put spreads. That's it. LAC I did not take. LAC not up to 35, so you took it to LA signal from Moonshots, guys. That thing's starting to move up here. LAC, 25, 35. 25, 35. MUX trading here, small, nothing to do there. YINN, nothing to do there. Microsoft, great signal from last week. Dell, they were buying some calls from last week. INFY, January calls being bought. I'm not going to take these. He's hitting an Option Hacker. I'm not going to take these here. So Option Hacker, buyer of INFY, 1/19/2024. 17 calls for 110. They do have earnings coming up, guys, on the 16th. If you're looking for something to get long on earnings, maybe this is the reason you get long for earnings. So maybe you're looking for something to get long for earnings, guys. This is something you can get long for earnings here. This is something you can get long for earnings. INFY, guys, calls being bought. INFY. Maybe they have earnings on the 2nd. Maybe you're getting long it for earnings. INFY. Humana is going to trigger a buy. Delta calls being bought. Delta on Option Hacker now. Only 1,000 lot hit. Once again, I'm not going to take it here. So Option Hacker, buyer of DAL, 10/20, 2023, 38 calls for 90 cents. So 90 cents here, guys, in Delta. 90 cents here in Delta, guys. 90 cents here in Delta. Delta calls being bought. Let's move this back up so we don't have two Option Hackers. INFY and Delta. Delta, Delta, Delta. Delta calls being bought, guys. Delta calls being bought. 10/20, 38s. Not that big of an order. It's literally 1,000 lots, so I'm not going to participate here. Delta calls being bought 90 cents. INFY calls being bought for 110. Wiggity, 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 whack. Futures going down. Oh, where's Coinbase? I have a long instruction known in Coinbase. Wow, Coinbase of 3. 15-minute RSI, Humana. Wow, futures are ripping off everywhere here. Humana, guys, the buy. Humana, buy. RSI, you're going to get a signal here in Humana, guys. RSI here in Humana. RSI, we're going to have a buy in Humana. 485.02, stop loss, 479. Futures just went up. What is going on right now? They're all over the place. Humana buy. Humana buy. More Zoom calls being bought. Humana buy. Da-na-na-na. Da-na. Send the signal out. Futures are all over the place. Any RSIs? Nothing's really pulled back much. Oh, Apple rip roar. Apple rip roar. So Humana the RSI. We're going to go to RSI here. See some puts being bought. So RSI. Have I seen you lately? Humana. The buy is going to be in 484.70. See what happens to that one. Futures bad. Apple ripping. Apple Fit 5-minute bar working out. Fisker puts being bought. I'm not going to take these. Fisker 6.5 puts for this week. Trading 17 cents. Peloton. I am long Peloton. My thoughts is it can only go to 0. Day trade. And penny spike. Buyer, a Fisker. 10-6, 2023. 6.5 puts for 17 cents. So Fisker, guys, day trade and penny spike on puts. If you're looking for something on the put side, I'm not going to play here. We haven't been sending out a lot of signals because I want to send out good signals instead of just sending out signals just to send out signals. Meta bid. No 15s that pull back. Apple on the 5. Nice trade on Apple on the 5. So Apple on the 5. Nice winning trade. Gave you that buy on the 5. 172.99. Apple on the 5. Futures up 5. Put spread is down to about 60 cents. Sold it at 80. NVIDIA up 12. IBM higher. Humana getting a bid here, guys. We call that a signal buying Humana. Humana on its buy for RSI. RSI, guys, we give you a buy at 484.70. So RSI winner here, guys. RSI winner. RSI winner. RSI winner. RSI winner. Here goes Humana, guys. First target is 488. 488. Delta calls unchanged. INFY unchanged. LAC unchanged. Zoom unchanged. CHPT calls me about the 5. CHPT 5's trading here, guys. CHPT 5's trading here. CHPT 5's trading here, guys. CHPT 5's. And CHPT. CHPT5's trading here. CHPT5's trading here. Humana. Oh, Humana bid. Humana about to hit a profit target, guys, at 488. Humana about to hit profit target on the RSI. 488. One signal on the 5, one winner. One signal on Quick Scalper, one winner. One signal on RSI, one winner. This is what we like to see. Trust the systems, and AK we trust. I was giving myself some daily affirmations this morning. Humana, 488.10 is your profit target. That gives you $3. 488.10 in Humana. That's your profit target here. Did not hit it yet. Humana, 488.10. Let's add the high here. I feel like the futures are up 20 because all big cap technology is higher today. 488.10. Do I hear it? Do I hear it? Do I hear it? It's close. Did not hit it yet. Apple up $1 from that 5-minute bar long. So Apple on the 5. We got an Apple 5. Let me go back to a 5-minute bar. So Apple, we get one signal on the 5, guys, and we got to buy an Apple. And look at Apple go. 172.99. We have the buy an Apple, 172.99. Sold some credit put spreads there. Apple, nice winning trade on the 5. Pullback indicator, we still haven't seen anything pull back to the open. So we go back to the pullback. And we move that to a 15. I can remove this. 5. Slide, slide, slippity slide. So we go into the trading room experience and we see, what do we look at on technical analysis? Today we've had 3 trades, 3 winners. So let's go to this. And we do this every day for you guys. And nope. Win, lose, or draw, guys. Because you know what? Some days are going to be losers. Believe it or not. Trading room. Okay, so today the first thing we look at is the moving average cross. We had none today. Then we had a 5-minute bar long in Apple at 172.99. And that's a winner. Then we had a 15 pullback indicator. We had none. And then we had Humana here. And Humana still has not hit profit target, so you'd still be in it, even though it's a winning trade. So Humana was a 15-minute RSI at 484.72. 1-minute bar, we had one signal, one winner. Okay, so today, 3 winners, no losers. And we're still waiting on the pullback. Okay, so one 5-minute bar, one winner. One moving average, one RSI, one winner, and the 1-minute bar. So this is today. I don't know why I called it 10-7 though. So 3 trades, 3 winners so far today, guys. Good start of the day, okay? Good start of the day. Lately. Humana has still not hit profit target, so you'd still actually be in that trade. Humana has not profit target, so you'd still be in that trade. Apple pulling back. U.S. Steel 52-week high. I actually have Freeport on a structured note. Freeport McLaman. Freeport McLaman. I have a meta long from Friday. I'll take that off at the end of the close today. Apple will take off at the end of the close today. We see a moonshot signal on Apple 77.5. I'm not going to participate here. Apple 77.5 screen bought, guys. Apple 77.5 screen bought, 49 cents. So, moonshots. More Zoom calls being bought. Weird. Buyer of Apple, 10/6/2023, 177.5 calls, 449. Apple calls being bought, guys. I'm not going to take Apple here. Apple on moonshots. We have 2 moonshots here. So moonshots, guys, and Apple. Moonshots here in Apple. Moonshots here in Apple, guys. Moonshots here in Apple. Oh, Humana profit target 1 hit in Humana. So Humana, guys. Humana on the 50 on the RSI, guys. Target 1 hit. Humana, guys. Target 1 hit on the RSI. You can move your stop to break even. If I was you, which I'm not, I would move my stop to break even in Humana. So Humana, guys, put target 1 hit, guys. Humana target 1 hit. 488.10. Final target Humana on the long. 491.19. Humana working out well on the 15-minute RSI. 15-minute RSI being bought. Humana. Humana, guys. Nice trade here in Humana. Humana, guys. RSI winner. RSI winner here in Humana. Relative Strength Index. So waiting for the pullback indicator. Oh, look at Humana go. Final target be 491.19. You can move your stop to break even here in Humana. Apple still bid. Schwabi puts being bought. I had Schwab on a structured note. I didn't take it. Always to continue to see a lot of strength in big cap technology. We have not seen anything pull back to the open, even with the futures down. It's really interesting that the futures down. So if you have this, I don't think anybody actually owns this indicator. So what this is a pullback indicator. You get a bull 15-minute bar. You want to see a pullback to the open, and then another bull candlestick. Nothing has pulled back to the open here. So we have 6 candidates today, but we've not seen any longs. So if you like this kind of trade, you can keep an eye on it. I mean, technically, you don't need the indicator. It just helps a lot. So this is a bull 15-minute bar. We do have candidates, guys, in Apple, Amazon, Google, Meta, Netflix, and Tesla. So that's a bull 15-minute bar. You buy the pullback. So you wait for a pullback to the open, and then you buy the next bull candlestick. So what you do here is you wait for a pullback to the open, and then you buy the next candlestick. Oil weak today. That's interesting. Oil a little weak today. So this is the 15-minute pullback. If you like to trade all day long, you can just trade all day long. So this is a 15-minute pullback indicator. It's a pretty easy concept. Number 1, no pre-market data. Number 2, you wait for a bull 15-minute bar above the Ichimoku cloud. And today, I look at 6 names, and we got it in every name. So we got it in Apple, Amazon, Tesla, Google, Meta, and Netflix. Step 3, you wait for a pullback to the open. Then you buy the next bull 15-minute bar. So that is the system, simple and easy. Humana bid. Look at Humana go, guys. Wow, what a signal on Humana on the RSI. Thank you, AK. You're welcome. Has still not hit profit target, guys. 491.19 will be final target in Humana. What a signal. Look at that, guys. 15-minute RSI oversold under 20. Red candlestick. We buy the next bull candle reversal. It's about to hit target here. It did not technically hit 491.19. That would have given you $7 to the upside, guys. $7 to the upside. About to hit it. Thank you, AK. You're welcome. There you go, guys. Humana, next target hit. Final target hit. So Humana, guys, final target hit in Humana. The trade is now over. So Humana, guys, nice profits in Humana. Target 1 and target 2 getting hit in Humana. So winner here in Humana. The trade is now over. 52 winners, 35 losers. That will give us a win rate of 60%. And then on the 5-minute bar, Apple's still on. Quick scalper, one trade, one winner this week. Humana, guys. Humana. Humana, guys. Humana. Trade is over. Tesla, trade is over. 12 minutes ago, 12 minutes ago. Google calls being bought. Futures up 3/4. Google calls being bought, guys. Google calls being bought in Google. So calls being bought here in the penny spike. Buyer of GOOG 10/6/2023, 138 calls, 4.25 cents. So Google calls being bought, guys, on the penny spike. Google calls being bought on the penny spike here, guys, in Goog, GOOG. Tesla about to go up on the day. We live in America. Whoa. Goog calls being bought, guys, 138.25 cents. If you bullish Goog, you can take that. Humana trade is over. Humana trade is over. We still have not got to pull back to the open yet. Let's see when my dry cleaner opens. 11 minutes to go, guys. 11 minutes to go. Laundry. What's that place damn called? Pony Express. They open at 6 in the morning. That's great. Humana trade is over, guys. Humana trade is over. Tesla trade is over. Apple still on the 5. No pullback longs yet. Calls on Apple, Delta, Goog, INFY, LAC, and Zoom today. Being patient. I've only done one trade so far today. I'm in Scottsdale for the next 10 days. Arizona. I was watching the game yesterday, and I don't like the Kansas City Chiefs, but I did bet on them. And I was like, the only thing I want is the Chiefs to lose, makes me happy. Or for me, win my bet, which means I get to cover 8.5. And what happens? They win by 3. Just frustrating. I don't care. I either want them to lose. We don't see any puts being sold today. Goog calls, Apple calls, LAC calls. Actually, we see Tesla 240 puts being sold today. So let me. So Tesla 240 puts. The stock started moving up once they sold puts here. So Tesla puts were sold today. So Tesla puts. Tesla should have support at 240. So Tesla puts were sold. That trade is still on. These are the 10-2. Tesla 10-6. 240 puts. And the were sold at 350. So Tesla puts were sold, guys. Tesla 240 puts were sold. Tesla 240 puts were sold earlier today. Stock was trading around 245.91. So Tesla puts were sold, and stock was trading around 245.91. Tesla puts were sold, guys. I didn't realize that till now, so I apologize. Tesla puts were sold. They're bought and sold. Someone bought them and somebody sold them. INFY was interesting. Nothing has pulled back to the open here, guys, so we're not even close on these. I think the closest we're going to get here is going to be maybe Netflix. Maybe a Netflix pullback to the open here. Humana trade is over. That was a nice profitable trade. GME. This candle actually will trigger a buy here in GameStop. GameStop down 5.5%. PNC down $1. TAL OC 11's trading here. TAL OC 11's trading here. TAL OC 11's trading here. TAL OC 11's. First day of the new quarter and month. KOLD trading here, nothing. KOLD. Google calls not really moving. Apple calls not really moving. GameStop. GameStop's definitely a bid here. Oil very weak here. Oil very weak here. Down a $1.40. CCL trading here, nothing doing CCL. Nothing is pulled back to the open. You can guys watch those on your own. Is my screen not updating? It's annoying. I'll try to update my screen here. Now it should be good. HAL puts being sold. HAL puts being sold. Delta calls being bought. Apple calls being bought. Google calls being bought. Google calls up to 30 here, guys. So Google calls up to 30. Let me just try to restart this room here. Try to reload the room here. And let me try to share the screen. Three minutes to play in the period. You guys can keep an eye on those on these pullback indicators on your own. So you guys can keep an eye on the pullbacks on your own. But technical analysis wise, 3 trades, 3 winners. Everything else from all the scanners is pretty much unchanged here. I mean, the Google calls are up. I know it's coming right now. The Google calls are up 25%. I saw the market goes lower today, but you know, it's just my opinion. I could be wrong. Let's look at SPY Strato at the money calls, at the money puts. So we look at the applied movement between now and the end of the day. So this week, 427 straddle. Applied a 22-point move between now and the end of the day. So decent sized move here, guys. SPY at the money straddle is $2.20. So 22-point move implied between now and the end of the day. Between now and the end of the week, we have a 70-point move. So 20-point move today, guys. 70-point move between now and the end of the week. So pretty big movements are still applied, still implying to be here. VIX still around that 18 level. So the VIX is, you know, still creeping around that 18 level. So we'll see what happens for today. 151 winner, no moving average. 1 scalper, 1 winner. 1 RSI, 1 winner. PNC I took off. Those were the Nove 130s. 160 to 240 overnight. Futures whack. Google calls back to 26. Apple calls down to 46. All right, guys, that is it for my session today. Everybody have an absolutely wonderful day. 22-point move applied between now and the end of the day. And between now and the end of the week is a 70-point move. So volatility is here to stay. I'm very surprised about this rally in big cap technology. We'll see what happens between now and the end of the day. Thank you, guys. Love everybody. Appreciate everybody. See everybody bright and early. Mañana.